The Pullman AS5 is a robust, no-nonsense commercial vacuum that is made in Italy. It features powerful suction, which has made it a popular machine in the industry, and it is compact and lightweight, so anyone can use it. It includes a sturdy Pullman vacuum head as standard to quickly clean tiles, floorboards and other hard floor surfaces. And you can also easily add an optional combination floor tool for cleaning carpeted surfaces too. The Pullman AS5 is very simple to operate and can be used with or without a bag. We recommend that you do use a vacuum bag to help preserve the life of your motor. This unit is packed full of quality features, including easy power control, high quality fittings, and also an optional power socket if you wish to attach a motorised power head to this machine. The free-flowing caster wheels make it easy to manoeuvre, and it also has a built-in bumper bar to help protect the vacuum and its surroundings in a commercial environment. The AS5 includes handy attachments as standard, including an upholstery brush for vacuuming furniture, a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas, and also a dusting brush for fine dust. The Pullman AS5 is a powerful Italian vacuum cleaner that does a superb job of cleaning in a commercial environment. It is ideal for retail stores, restaurants, and many other businesses. To see this vacuum for yourself, drop into your local Godfreys store or shop online today and receive free nationwide delivery.